how to start an effective affiliate program for your Shopify store so other people are literally working for you. Yo, what is going on everyone? Shri Kanase here and welcome to another Shopify video. This video is going to be geared towards getting your customers to start working for you and basically do all of the hard stuff for you. Hope you guys are killing it in Q4, I know I am. And I'm going to be posting a lot of quality content both on my YouTube channel and also my Facebook group. So make sure to join my Facebook group. It's completely free for you guys. The link is down in the description below. And also, like always, if you're new to my channel, pause this video right now and go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below so you stay up to date with the content that I'm about to put out in Q4. Because let's accept it, Q4 is literally the best time of the year to be making sales. And my main Shopify store is back up at $1,000 per day. My goal for Q4 is going to be hitting $100,000 days actually. And I'll update you guys on how that goes on my Facebook group, so make sure to stay connected. But without further ado, let's jump right into this. Alright guys, so before showing you exactly how you can set up your affiliate program for your Shopify store, I want to explain why you should even do this in the first place. So if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is, affiliate marketing is basically advertising someone else's link for a commission. So let's say I own a store that sells jewelry and you want to be an affiliate for my store. What you would do is go ahead on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you want basically, and copy a link for a product, a specific jewelry piece from my store, and advertise that link on other platforms or maybe to your family and friends. And every sale that you get me, I give you a certain commission from that sale. That is exactly what affiliate marketing is. And if you guys didn't know, Shopify actually gives you the option of creating affiliate programs for your Shopify store so that you can get your customers more involved with your brand. And this is literally the #1 way to do brand awareness as well as establish a strong brand. It is through affiliate programs. You should also have reward programs, but if you guys want me to make a video on how to set up reward programs for your Shopify store, let me know down in the comment section, but this video focuses on affiliate programs. So the main reason why we have affiliate programs is because we get our customers to do the hard work for us. So let me go ahead and unhighlight this for you guys. So the highest amount of ROI actually comes through the customers, which basically become your advocates for your Shopify store. They literally advocate your business for you to other people. And the best part about this is there is $0 ad spend through this process. All you're doing is paying a certain commission only if they get you any sales. So if they get you 0 sales, you're not entitled to pay them anything. I mean, there's literally no other way to get the word out for your business in such a high amount of ROI like this one, which is why I am making a video based on this only. But in order to have an affiliate program running for your Shopify store, you're going to want to download a specific Shopify app. We'll go over the Shopify apps in just a few minutes, but to let you guys know, you need to first create an affiliate or an ambassador page for your Shopify store. This is done the same way that you would create any other page, such as the contact us page, returns policy page, etc. You basically create an ambassador or affiliate page, and that is exactly what you title the page. And on this page, you want to lay out all the terms for the ambassador/affiliate program, such as when the payouts are, how much they're going to be paid, and what they have to do to get paid. So basically what kind of actions they have to take. You can simply let them know that all they have to do is advertise specific products from your Shopify store on their social media accounts, and every single sale that they get you, they get a certain commission. And a bonus tip for you guys is you want to treat them to special offers such as VIP coupons, free gifts per order, etc. The only reason why we're offering them such special offers is because we want to incentivize them. I don't know if that's a word, but we basically want to motivate them to work even harder for us, because we're letting them know that the harder that they work for us, the more special offers that they're gonna get. And trust me, you're gonna find some affiliates who do really good job of bringing people over to your store. And it may get to the point where you don't even have to rely on Facebook ads or Instagram ads. I personally know a Shopify store which literally relies just on affiliates that they have gathered to get them sales, and they do really good each month. But the basic step that you want to take first before even downloading a Shopify app is creating an ambassador or affiliate page on your Shopify store and laying out all of the terms and conditions for the program. You really want to take some time in creating all of the text for the ambassador program and make sure that it really benefits the customers. Now, a general rule of thumb, I like to offer a commission between 15% to 25%. to my customers per order that they bring me. So test out different percentages. Each store is different. Maybe 20% will work better for you, or maybe even 15% will work better for some of you. But now that you have created an affiliate page, let's move on to the specific apps. So the top apps that I recommend for affiliate programs, and there are only 2 that I recommend. The others I do not really like, so that is why I'm only recommending 2. But the first app on my list is Refersion. Refersion is an amazing app and it offers a huge amount of free trial for you. So if the affiliate program doesn't really work out for your customers, or they're not really that engaged with your store, you can just go ahead and delete it without getting any charges. But it's super easy to set up. Once you download the app, there's a tutorial for you on how to set it up, which is why I'm not going to go over it in this video. But the second option that you have, if you have some trouble downloading this app and setting it up, is speaking with the Refersion app support team. They're really good at helping their customers and will definitely assist you with getting it set up. The second app that I recommend for you guys is Affiliately. Now, I have used Affiliately before, but it is not the best app that I recommend. Number 1 is Refersion for me. But nonetheless, it is an awesome app that you can use if you do not really like Refersion and want to try something else. Again, super easy to set up, and the support staff is also great at doing their job of helping you. So if you have any types of trouble, do contact them. But I'll have the link for Refersion down in the description below. Make sure to check it out and get Refersion from that link. But once you have set up an affiliate program, all you really have to do is let your customers know via emails or your social media channels that you have set up an affiliate program and it is available for them to join. That is exactly how I got most of my affiliates. I do not have to advertise my affiliate program. All I do is go on my Instagram for my Shopify store and just do a quick story shout out or a Instagram feed post about the affiliate program, and I get a bunch of signups. You can also go ahead and email people about the affiliate program once in a while and let them know that they can literally just get rewarded for joining you and spreading the word. People really like to be part of big movements. So let them know that they're part of something big when they join your affiliate program, and they're basically part of the family of your Shopify store. I like to refer to my customers as my family when it comes to my e-commerce store, and it really helps them connect with my store. I have also noticed that referring to them as family makes them want to participate in programs such as affiliate programs much more. So definitely get Refersion or Affiliately and start making money through your customers. If you guys found value in this video, make sure to smash that like button down below. And as always, let me know down in the comment section if I can help you out in any way. And I'll see you guys next time.